Well, thank you to you watching this video. In this video, I'm going to try to find out. In this video, I'm going to bring you the man behind the attempts to block presidential order Executive 3 on the eviction of Balaalo. On the 8th of 2022, the Gulu High Court dismissed a case seeking to invalidate President Museveni's executive order directing the eviction of what they call cattle keepers, commonly known as Balaalo, from northern Uganda. Presiding Judge Philip Otee was prompted to dismiss the case after the petition Mr. Leonard Otee did not follow up on the matter and have it prosecuted against the Attorney General. The applicant, Mr. Otee, brought this application by notice of motion seeking several declarations and orders. On February the 19th in the year 2024, when this matter came up for hearing, the court directed that the applicant, who is an advocate and self-represented, should file and serve the respondent with written submission by March 11 to enable the respondent to file their written submission by March the 20th, where they would be getting the reply by Justice Otee on March the 21st. He added, the applicant, Mr. Otee, has since failed to file any written submissions as directed by the court, and no explanation was offered for the non-compliance with the court directive. This application was accordingly dismissed under Order 17 rule of the Civil Procedure Rules with cost to the respondent. Mr. Otee had in his lawsuit filed on November the 29th last year sought the declaration orders that the eviction of Balaalo without fenced farm from northern Uganda was unconstitutional on grounds that they, just like other Ugandans, are free to stay in any part of the country. The declaration that the Executive Order number 3 of 2023 contravenes and or threatens to contravene Article 29 of the Constitution, which guarantees every Ugandan the right to move freely throughout Uganda or throughout the country and reside and settle in any part of Uganda. The petition read in part. Further, in his lawsuit, Mr. Otee stated that the Balaalo, being the citizens of Uganda, have a right to move freely throughout Uganda and that their eviction is a grievous human rights violation. In his executive order, the president said the Balaalo people have illegally settled in the Acholi, Lao, and Teso areas, and the punishment for those who refuse to be evicted is 7 years in prison. His Excellency Museveni also called the Balaalo he called them indisciplined cattle keepers who move from areas to areas, from the areas of Acoli, Mpororo, Ansen, Banyoro, parts of Congo, and Karagwe in Tanzania and Rwanda to other areas. The president himself said, meaning these are not Uganda. Now, this Otee is a lawyer who is based himself, is a Teso by tribe and is having and he calls himself a partner at Otee has resisted a lot of failures in his attempt in this profession. One being High Court upholding the case to prosecute Kutesa on the 6th of September 2020. So, I don't know what this guy was up to. Imagine the Teso chased the Balaalo safe. This one guy here called Leonard Otee is one of the people who were headaches that the Acholi people were not seeing. The people who were trying to work and disturb the executive order. Now he is none. And just one word for him, shame.